Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. First method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here, then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system. After restarting, check if you can play the game. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam. Now in the library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, check if you can play the game. Next method is to update graphics card. For that, you have to go to the Windows search for device manager. Now expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics driver. After that, try to launch the game and see if you can play it. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link that I have already given in the description and update your graphics driver. Next method is to launch the game from installation folder. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage and click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Now select the game application or double click on it to launch the game and see if it's working or not. If not, then select the game, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and select run this program as an administrator, then click on apply and OK, and then check if you can play the game. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7 and then hit on apply and OK and then try to launch the game. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations and click on apply and OK, and after that try to play the game and see if this solution resolves the issue. If not, next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now in the general here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and see if this works. If it doesn't work, again come back and type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this solution has helped you. If not, next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall and network protection, allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, and here you have to search for the game if it's listed. If not, click on allow another app, go to the browse section, select your game from the folder, add it to the list. After adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK, and after that launch the game and see if it is working. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. For that, launch Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, then click on in-game and here enable the Steam overlay while in game. If it is enabled, you have to disable it and then try to launch the game. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, go through the link I have already provided in the description, and after that download and install the Visual C++ files. So after the website opens, go below and from here you need to download the Visual C++ files. After that, install them, and after installing, restart your PC once and then log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game. For that, launch Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage and click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your system. After that, restart your PC. After restarting, launch Steam and reinstall Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 game on your PC and then click on play button and check if you can play it without any kind of issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.